Yes, sir. Welcome to my channel. About to make it happen again. It's Good Kitchen. So we had our beef round steak, a couple slices in there. We have our grill seasoning and 2 potatoes. So tonight I'm gonna make some steak baked potatoes. So we're gonna go ahead and slice them up into thin slices. We're gonna make it happen right here in this Good Kitchen. Okay, so this is how we looking right here. Cut them in thin slices. And then we chopped it up like some ground beef. Also have that fat right there. I'm gonna use that fat because you know fat is flavor. And this was what I'm chopping it with right here. Okay, so now we go ahead and season it up. Italian. 2 tablespoons. Meat tenderizer. 2 tablespoons. Smoked paprika. 2.5 tablespoons. And that's it right there. That's all the seasoning we're using. Alright, so that was all the seasoning we was using from my cabinet. Now we're gonna use a tablespoon of that grill. Just a tablespoon. That's it. Okay, so we have 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. Green bell pepper. 1 green bell pepper. Couple of these dry onions. 2 tablespoons of the dry onions. Throw a steak in there. Spread everything apart. Get a nice little spread. I baked potatoes in the oven at 400 for 1 hour. Okay, so now we just go let it cook. Okay, so we got that beef round steak looking good. Looking like ground beef. Smelling good. Okay, so here we go right here. We have our steak baked potato. When I say that steak came out fire, man, it is fire for real. So you know I had to make it happen in this good kitchen. Look at it. We have our Mexican style cheese. I did my thing right here in this good kitchen. Y'all don't forget to hit that thumbs up for your boy. Let's get these videos out there to the world. And that thumbs up help me and push YouTube to push my videos. So I just had to do my thing right here in this good kitchen. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Other than that, I had a good time filming with y'all. Don't forget, hit that bell notification. Like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good night. God bless. Hit dice.
Chef hit dice. Yeah. Hey, tell them when they step, better step right. Step up in my kitchen with them chef dice. Cooking, I come out from my left, right. I got season and I do it just right. When I'm stepping in, they think I'm blessing the kitchen. I got my grandma and my app and I'm the chef in the kitchen. I think they really should be happy cause I'm blessing the kitchen. This roll of dice and with you, I send it to chef in the kitchen. Chef hit dice. Yeah, you my right. Hey. Chef hit dice. Yeah, you my right. Chef hit dice. Yeah, you my right. Chef hit dice. Yeah, you my right. Chef hit dice. Yeah, you right. Chef hit dice. Yeah, you right.